Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, students. Our today's topic is external respiration or breathing. In the first day of the class, we have studied that the respiration is consist of two main phases. That is the external respiration or breathing and internal respiration or cellular respiration. Now, external respiration is what? Breathing is what? Breathing is the taking in air and taking out, means what? Releasing out air. Taking in air, releasing out air. So, it is consist of two phases, inspiration or inhalation. Inspiration or inhalation is what? When the air is drawn through the nose or the mouth into the chest cavity. Through the nose or the mouth into the chest cavity. And while expiration or exhalation is what? Breathing out air. The air is pushed out of the chest cavity. Now there is two things in our body that helps in breathing. First of all is diaphragm and second one is rib cage. Ribs. The means what? Chest bone. So diaphragm is what? Diaphragm is a sheet of muscular sheet, a sheet of muscles that is present just below the means what? Your rib cage, just below the inner lining of the rib cage. They are present in the lining of the rib cage. So diaphragm is a sheet of muscle present in the chest cavity below the lungs, lining of the rib cage. The diaphragm acts as a partition between the cavities of the chest and the abdomen. So they acts as a partition wall that separate the pleural cavity, that is the lung cavity, to the visceral cavity, that is the abdominal cavity. Now what role they play? Diaphragm and the chest muscles contracts when we breathe in. That means they will contract when we breathe in, and they relax when we breathe out. Now during inspiration, what happens? Diaphragm moves downward. That means they will move downward. Means what? They will move from the lining of the chest. Means what? From the lining of the rib cage towards downwards. That will increase the means what? That will increase the volume of the chest so that the air can occupy in the lungs. Now what happens? This makes the air rush into the lungs and fill the alveoli. Now during expiration, the opposite thing will happen. During inspiration, the diaphragm moves downward. So during expiration, the diaphragm will move upward. They will reduce the volume of the means what? Or volume of the lungs, and they will force the air to goes out or push the air out of the lungs. So this is the function of the what? Means what? Diaphragm during the inspiration and expiration. You just remember that is the diaphragm moves downward during the inspiration and rib cage moves upward and outward, while during expiration the diaphragm moves upward while the rib cage moves backward in the normal position to push the air out of the lungs. Now respiratory diseases means what are the diseases that are concerned with the respiratory organ, that happens to our mouth, nose, trachea, bronchioles, lungs, etc. So there are many diseases that affect the respiratory tracts, in which the asthma, common cold, cough, bronchitis, pneumonia, tuberculosis are few examples. Now, respiratory disease can affect any part of the respiratory tract and cause various problems such as difficulty in breathing and chest pain. These are the two symptoms of the diseases of the in the respiratory element or respiratory tract. You will face breathing problem and chest pain. Now, causes of the respiratory diseases. What are the causes that cause the respiratory disease? Many causes are there, but the major cause are the germs. Bacteria, virus, fungus, all can cause the respiratory diseases. Now, pollution also affects the lungs, smoking, weakness of the chest muscles. These are the factors that together cause, or they sometimes means what? Alone, they generally cause difficulty in the respiratory tract alone, but sometimes they together cause the problem in the respiratory tract. So it's better to means what it means. See, all these things are in our hand. We can keep ourselves hygiene. We can keep ourselves very well clean to protect our lungs from the germs. Now means what we can means what stay. We can stay in a place where the pollution is less. We cannot get addicted to smoking. All these are in under our control, isn't it? Whenever we will go out, not only for the corona, you can use mask for to prevent your body from the means what harmful gases that are released from the vehicles. If you are using mask, you cannot protect you are not only protecting yourself from the corona, but you can also protect your body, your lungs from the harmful gases, the dust particles, the smoke that are released from the means what vehicles, that are the dust particles that are means what floating in the air on the roads. So if you want to protect yourself from the pollution, you can use the mask. Means what these are under our control. If we means what live healthy life, disciplined life, so we can protect our body from the respiratory diseases. Now this was the last topic of the chapter. So from the next class, or for means what in the coming classes, I will give you the objective and the question answer of this chapter. Now if you have any question regarding the topic, text me. Assalamu alaikum.